And we go back now to an earlier story where at least 5 people narrowly escaped death after their homes were inundated by floodwaters in Trafalgar Park, St. Andrew, as heavy rains pounded the island Friday evening. Quick thinking led the residents, including 2 children, to climb a fence and escape chest-high water after a gully in the area burst its banks. Kelisha Williams has that story.
This is moments after 5 residents fled their homes in Trafalgar Park, St. Andrew, to seek shelter on their neighbor's veranda.
See it there? See over our yard there. Flood out. A pure water run through the yard.
By nightfall, the water receded.
You can't find no shoe, nothing, a whole heap of thing wash out of the house.
When our news team visited on Saturday afternoon, the owner of the 2 properties, Nadine Thompson, was overcome by emotions. Debris covered every room, this TV no use, refrigerators and a generator all waterlogged, and several other pieces of furniture and appliances were damaged. But she bemoaned the things she couldn't save, like items belonging to her son who died earlier this year.
Yes, it's gone. It's electronics. Look at there. That is shoes. It's gone.
But she was spared from the wrath of the flood. She explained that it began raining heavily and she noticed a leak. Her friend came to assist, and then
I'm hearing like a roar sound. Then my back was turned, and I just hear him say, "Nadie, move." And I just run. I'm gonna look around, pure water. Then I just hear, "Pashai!" This glass right here is a glass door. It just flash, break out and go inside, and the water just start come.
They later discovered that the sound was this decades-old wall falling after the gully behind the house burst its banks.
So she said, "Prince, how are this?" I said, "Just relax." And she started saying, "I'm going to drown because I can't swim." I said, "Don't let me go." So I said, "Let me open this sliding door," which is the front one. So I reach over to that, open it, furniture come in.
At that point, the water was almost at their chest. However, they managed to leave the house and walked through the flood water. Dwight Walker, who lives in the adjoining house, had to do all of that with his 2 children.
When we come in the water now, the water move we forward, push we forward. So I tell them to hold on for me and don't move.
They all managed to escape danger by climbing over this fence.
Now, just for you to understand how powerful the water was yesterday, there was a car parked here, but the force of the water lifted it, it started to float, and now this is where the car is. And as you can see, the front bumper is also damaged. Now, many of the items here, some can be fixed, but many are beyond repair.
And while it will take some time before the cleanup is completed, they believe improper gully development to facilitate the building of an apartment in the area was the cause of the problem. And so, Ms. Thompson believes she should be compensated.
There's a wall there blocked up. It's like them lead it for gust, so the water can't go nowhere. If the rain fall, the water can't go nowhere. The only way the water can escape is to me. I don't have no money for fix back this. My tax are 100,000 a year. I have to pay for this, right? So I think that me should have paid them high tax there, and I live like this.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.